Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add your own photo in Canva in the easiest way. The steps are very simple and you can do this in just a minute. Let's start. First, open Canva in your browser or in the mobile app and make sure you're logged in. Now, open any design you're already working on. Or you can click on Create a Design and choose any size you like. After that, look at the left side of your screen. On mobile, this option will be at the bottom. Click on Uploads. Now click on Upload Files. Your device storage will open. From here, select the photo you want to add to your design. Once you select your photo, wait a few seconds for it to upload. When the upload is finished, you will see your photo in the Uploads panel. Now simply click on that photo. Your photo will instantly appear on your design. You can drag it anywhere to move it, and you can resize it by dragging from the corners. You can double-click the photo to adjust its position if needed. That's it. This is the easiest way to add your own photo in Canva. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more useful tips, and comment below if you want more quick guides like this. See you in the next video.